Today I'm going to show you how to use the patch tool in Photoshop, an incredibly useful feature for anyone looking to retouch photos, clean up images, or even completely remove unwanted objects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly fix blemishes, scars, and distractions in your pictures with results that look professional and natural. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Photoshop on your computer. If you're brand new to the software, just double-click the Photoshop icon and wait for it to load up. Once it's open, take a moment to get comfortable with the interface. Sometimes these programs can look a little overwhelming if you're not used to them, but don't worry, we'll walk through each step together. Next, you'll need to select the image you want to work on. Go to File in the top left corner and choose Open, then browse for your photo. Maybe it's a portrait where you want to get rid of some acne, or perhaps it's a scenic shot that would look even better without that stray power line or photo bomber in the background. Grab whichever image suits your needs. With your image open, let's locate the patch tool. In the toolbar on the left, you'll see a group of tools for editing and retouching. The patch tool looks a bit like a band-aid or a sewing patch. If you can't find it immediately, right-click on the Spot Healing Brush or Healing Brush tool because the patch tool might be nested underneath. Select it and you're ready for the magic to happen. Now comes the fun part. Click and draw a circle or any shape around the area you want to fix. For example, if you're removing a small blemish, draw a gentle outline around it. Precision is key here. You want to cover the area you want patched, but not so much that you grab unnecessary background. Take your time, this part might take a few moments if the area is tricky or oddly shaped, but the patch tool is very forgiving. Once you've selected the problematic spot, you just need to click inside your selection and drag it over to another part of your photo that has a similar or even nicer texture and color. Imagine you're borrowing healthy skin or clean background from one area and laying it perfectly over the flaw. Let's say you're removing acne, you drag your selection to a patch of smooth, clear skin nearby. The patch tool blends everything together so the patch doesn't stand out and the fix looks natural. If you're cleaning up an object from your landscape shot, you might drag the outlined area over some grass or sky to fill in the spot. Remember, it's almost like swapping puzzle pieces to make everything fit. Try to match the grain and light so the blend is seamless. This technique is great not just for skin touch-ups like acne or face scars, but also if you want to erase larger objects from a picture. Whether it's a sign, a stray person, or even a shadow, just outline the object with the patch tool and pull that selection toward a cleaner area nearby. Sometimes you might need to try a couple of different donor spots in your image until the patch looks just right. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Photoshop makes it easy to undo and experiment, and that's it. With the patch tool, you can quickly make your photos look more polished without any visible sign that you've edited at all. It's a powerful trick popular with both professional retouchers and casual users because it's quick and the results are impressive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and creative editing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.